A circle has a y-intercept of 6 and touches the x-axis at a distance of 3 from the origin. Determine the equation of the circle. Let us begin. So first what we'll do, we'll consider the general equation of a circle. Our goal will be to determine the value of the constants g, f and c using the given conditions. So here it's given here that the circle has a y-intercept of 6. Now we know that the length of the y-intercept is going to be 6 units, and we also know the formula for calculating the length of the y-intercept. It's given by 2 times square root of f squared minus c, and it's given here that this value is equals to 6 units. So when we simplify this, we get f squared minus c equals to 9. So let this be equation number 1. And it's given that the circle touches the x-axis at a distance of 3 from the origin. So if it is touching the x-axis, that means if the circle is touching the x-axis at the point 3, 0. So if it is touching it at the point 3, 0, then what we can do? The point 3, 0 is going to lie on the circle, the general equation of the circle, and we can rewrite the equation of the circle by replacing the value of x with 3 and the value of y with 0. So that means we are going to get 3 squared plus 0 squared plus 2 times g times x, so x is 3, plus 2 times f times y plus c equals to 0. So we get 6g plus c plus 9 equals to 0. So this is going to be the equation of the circle which touches the x-axis at a distance of 3 from the origin, or we can say that touches the x-axis at a point 3, 0. We're naming it as point A. So let this be equation number 2. However, we know for a fact that whenever a circle touches the x-axis, its x-intercept is going to be 0. Its x-intercept is 0. It means that 2 times square root of g squared minus c, this value equals to 0, and that immediately gives us a condition that c must be equals to g squared. So what we'll do, we'll replace the value of c in equation number 2 with g squared, and then the equation number 2 is going to become a quadratic equation in g. We get g squared plus 6g plus 9 equals to 0. So this is nothing but the expansion of g plus 3 whole squared equals to 0, and solving for the value of g, we get g equals to negative 3. Fine. So now that we have the value of g, we can use c equals to g squared, and this is going to give us the value of c as well. So c comes out to be negative 3 squared, which will be simply 9. So we have the value of g, we have the value of c, we can immediately find out the value of f. So using equation number 1, so our value of f squared, that will be simply equals to c plus 9. We obtained the c value is 9, so we have 9 added to 9, that becomes 18, which means if we take the square root on both sides, then f will become equals to plus or minus 3 times square root of 2. Fine. Now we have the value of f, we have the value of g and c, all the constants are known, which means the equation of the circle with the given conditions, that will be, we have x squared plus y squared, we need 2gx, so here 2 times negative 3, so that's going to make it negative 6 times x, then we have plus or minus 6 times square root of 2 times y, and then we have the constant value c, that's positive 9 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the circle, such that the length of the y-intercept is given by 6 units, and it's going to touch the x-axis at a point 3, 0.